Most people lose lakhs on a car without even realizing it because buyers focus on features, screens, sunroofs, and flashy interiors, but completely ignore one thing, and that is resale value. And honestly, some cars in India hold value so well that they become unbelievably smart financial decisions, while others lose value faster than smartphones. So in this video, let's talk about the cars that actually protect your money, but don't forget to subscribe Luthra Drives for more car talks. Now understand, a car is not just a purchase anymore. It is also a financial decision. And if you choose the right car, you can save yourself lakhs of rupees years later. Because strong resale value usually means better liability, higher trust, lower ownership fear, and stronger market demand, which is exactly why some brands dominate the Indian market year after year. Now, number 10 is the Hyundai Creta. The Creta has built one of the strongest reputations in India, and whether people love it or hate it, the resale value remains incredibly strong. Do you know why? Because the demand never dies. Families trust it, used car buyers trust it, and Hyundai's service network gives people confidence. That's exactly why even older Creta still sell surprisingly fast. On number 9 is the Toyota Innova Krista or the High Cross. Now this car is basically a resale value monster. Some Innovas genuinely feel impossible to kill. Taxi operators trust it, families trust it, and fleet owners trust it. And Toyota's reliability image is so powerful that people willingly pay high prices even for used Innovas. And that is insane brand strength. On number 8 is one of my favorites, and that is Maruti Brezza. The Brezza quietly became one of India's smartest SUV purchases. Not because it's exciting, but because ownership is easy. Low maintenance, strong mileage, reliable engine, and huge service network. This is exactly the type of SUV Indian families love buying used. On number 7 is again Toyota, but this time it's a Fortuner. The Fortuner doesn't follow normal depreciation rules. This thing has become a status symbol in India, and demand is so crazy that even older Fortuners sell for shockingly high prices. People are not just buying an SUV here, they are buying presents. On number 6 is Maruti Swift. Now the Swift is still one of the India's strongest resale kings. But why? Because literally everybody knows this car. Cheap maintenance, easy repairs, good mileage, and massive trust factor, which means selling a used Swift is usually very easy. Now number 5 might surprise a lot of people, but that is the Mahindra Thar. This is where emotions completely take over logic, because the Thar's resale value is driven heavily by hype and lifestyle appeal. People want this car. Even used Thars get crazy attention online, and that emotional demand keeps resale strong. On number 4 is the Toyota Hyryder. Now hybrid demand is growing rapidly in India, and buyers are slowly starting to value fuel efficiency more seriously. That is exactly why the Hyryder could become one of the smartest long-term resale bets. At number 3 is Tata Punch. Now the Punch became insanely successful for one simple reason. It gives buyers SUV feel at a relatively affordable price, and Tata's strong safety image massively helped its popularity, which means demand in the used market is also growing strongly. On number 2 is Maruti Baleno. The Baleno dominates Indian roads for a reason. It's practical, it's fuel efficient, it's easy to maintain, and extremely easy to sell later, which makes it one of the safest hatchback purchases financially. And now revealing the number 1, and that is none other than Toyota Fortuner Legender. Yes, another Fortuner, because honestly, this thing barely behaves like a depreciating asset in India anymore. Strong demand, crazy road presence, and powerful reputation. Some people literally buy Fortuners knowing they'll recover huge money later. That is how strong the resale game has become. And honestly, this is exactly why smart car buying is not just about excitement, because the wrong car can destroy your money later, while the right car can save you lakhs. Now the smartest buyers think about ownership, maintenance, service, trust, and resale. They don't think about the panoramic sunroofs or the flashy features. So now I want you ask something. If you had to buy one car today purely for long-term value, which one would you choose? Do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe as well.